Hello, welcome to the official JoomUnited YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use the My Maps location extension by JoomUnited to import, synchronize, and export location data in Joomla. Let's dive into how you can manage your locations more efficiently and effectively. Are you struggling to display business locations on your Joomla site? A long list of addresses can overwhelm visitors, making it hard for them to find what they need, especially on mobile. That's where My Maps location by JoomUnited comes in. This Joomla extension transforms how you manage and showcase locations, turning a confusing list into an interactive map experience. With My Maps location, you can add places like stores, events, or community spots using Google Maps, Bing Maps, or OpenStreetMap. Categorize locations, add rich media descriptions with images and videos, and let visitors search by geolocation or filters like tags and regions. The plugin integrates with extensions like Hikashop and Jomsocial, so you can map products or members effortlessly. It solves the problem of poor user experience by offering fast, responsive maps that load quickly worldwide, helping visitors find your locations with ease. Whether you're a business owner or a creator, My Maps location ensures your site stays user-friendly and visually appealing. Let's get started with adding interactive maps to your Joomla site using My Maps location by JoomUnited. You can install this plugin directly from the Joomla dashboard with just a few clicks, either through the Install from Web option under Extensions or by uploading the plugin's RAR file via the Upload Package File tab. This sets the stage for creating engaging maps that your visitors will find easy to use. Let's set up your map provider for My Maps location to start building your interactive map. You can choose from Google Maps, Bing, Baidu, or OpenStreetMap. For beginners, OpenStreetMap is the simplest option since it doesn't require a custom API key. However, if you prefer Google Maps or Bing for more advanced features, you'll need to visit their console to obtain an API key. I've linked a detailed guide below to help you with that process. Want a deeper dive? Leave a comment, and I'll create a video explaining how to get each API key and compare their benefits. Once you've selected your provider, My Maps location will fetch the map data, allowing you to add locations and customize your map effortlessly. This setup helps attract more traffic to your Joomla site with an engaging user experience. You can create an engaging experience for your Joomla site visitors with beautifully organized location maps by managing your locations as well. Click Locations to add or edit places, assigning them to categories like stores or events. Use the WYSIWYG editor to include media, such as photos or videos for rich descriptions. Organize further by adding tags or subcategories for easy filtering. This keeps your location data structured and accessible. On the front end, showcase these locations with a map. Create a menu item under Menus, choose Location Search and Display, and select a category. Your site can feature a store locator for businesses, letting customers find nearby outlets. For event organizers, display upcoming events on an interactive map. Community sites can map member locations, improving engagement. My Maps location uses providers like Google Maps for fast, accurate displays, making your site user-friendly and visually appealing. This management approach ensures your visitors explore your content with ease. Now let's see how your visitors can explore locations on your Joomla site's front end with My Maps location. They'll find an interactive map that feels familiar, similar to Google Maps, but with a special touch. All your locations are highlighted, making them easy to track and manage visually. Visitors can click on any location to view details like the address, operating hours, or contact information. They can also use a quick search feature to find the best route from their current position to your location, simplifying their journey. This functionality enhances the experience for your customers, ensuring they connect with your places or events effortlessly. It's a seamless way to make your site more engaging and user-friendly. Let's import locations using a CSV file with My Maps location in Joomla to quickly populate your map. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a simple text format where data is organized in columns and rows, like a spreadsheet, making it easy to store and transfer location details. In your Joomla dashboard, go to Components, Then select My Maps location. Click Import Export to access the tool. Upload a CSV file with your location data by placing it in your Joomla Media Library route, selecting it, and clicking Launch Synchronization. This process adds your locations to the map, saving time when managing large lists. Ensure your CSV includes columns like name, address, latitude, and longitude for accurate mapping. My Maps location supports this method to streamline data entry, keeping your site updated efficiently. Once imported, your locations appear on the map, ready for visitors to explore. Alternatively, you can export locations in the same section by selecting the Export tab and downloading them as a CSV for backup or sharing. Once imported, your locations appear on the map, ready for visitors to explore. These powerful features enable you to manage location-based content efficiently and keep your maps accurate and up-to-date. Also help increase your website's traffic by a large. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest Joomla tutorials. See you in the next video.